potatoes. You gonna try your chicken? This is Thatcher's first ever chicken. The chef's making soup, yeah. What do you think about your chicken, Thatcher?
Is that good?
Do you like it? Does it taste different? Yeah. Is it good? Are you going to eat more chicken? No? You don't like it?
But Daddy has tea.
Daddy has iced tea. You have some iced tea too.
You gotta chew it a little bit more, probably.
Daddy has ice.
Yeah, can you use your fork, please? Where does your napkin go? Where does your napkin belong? On your lap. Good job.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good chicken, Mommy.
Thank you. Yeah, Mama's got to cut hers up. Are you going to eat more? Do you like it? Yeah.